will be alright. Because I see that light, your face illuminated in starry glow. Here we go, we'll be falling in love when I capture your heart, reaching out with a rainbow made of shooting stars, a dream shining brighter than ever before, stepping into a new world for us to explore. This energetic feeling means everything is Meowgical. Let's do a light in the air. Yeah! Oh, it's so pretty! With every song, I will fill your heart with glee. With every dance, I will make you want to join in with me. And every time that I look into your eyes, resonating in my soul is the happiness we've worked so hard for. I know it's all worthwhile, because I see your smile, feelings pure, I know it's sure to win every fight. Yeah, that's right, we'll be seizing the day like it could be our last, chasing dreams that were just out of reach in the past. But now we've discovered the magic inside, there's no telling how far on this rainbow we'll ride. Your laugh that's like no other makes all our days so colorful. From now until forever, we raise these wands together. Even a magical girl can take the world on alone. Wherever hearts are crying, whenever laughter's dying, this hidden magic shows me. When you call out for Rosie, my purpose I will fulfill, to make the world so magical. We'll be falling in love when I capture your heart, reaching out with a rainbow made of shooting stars, a dream shining brighter than ever before, stepping into a new world for us to explore. This energetic feeling means everything is Meowgical. Thank you all so much! I'm just going to check that that's actually recording. Yeah, I thought so. I'm just so paranoid that I forgot to press the record button. Thank you so much. It's in the right positioning. Right, perfect. So how are you all today? You guys are so energetic. Thank you so much. I'm seeing lots of star ones, lots of light sticks. So this is my first time at Chibi Sunny. I went to the regular, big SunnyCon last year. Who was at the big SunnyCon last year? Yay! I'm seeing some familiar faces too. It's great to see you again. I'm Meowgical Rosie. I am a pop performer from Scotland, Glasgow to be specific. So let's get all the Willy Wonka jokes out of the way now. What is that? It's the unknown. There we go. So now we've got that bit out of the way. That's all I've been hearing for the last week. Is it's the unknown. And did you go to the Willy Wonka experience? Just because I'm from Glasgow. I can't say it's not funny though. It is funny to be fair. So this next song is my new single. Just gonna drink the water there. Yep. Before we start, I do have a part I'd like you all to join in with. So we're gonna do a little practice first. So when I say Jean say la, you shout Rosie. Can you do that? Let's practice. Jean say what? Rosie. That was great. One more time. Jean say what? Rosie. Good job. Bit of a slower song, so now we get to come down from our carnival high still the same me from yesterday. I'm gonna shine, you're gonna shine until I die. Because 365 more days of happiness just seem to fly away. It's a little bittersweet, but a brand new year means a brand new dream. Forever I'm not a child anymore. Adult, I'm never ready to be called. You know, this is how I wanna be, with a hopeful heart, always running free. And I hope you have a super lovely rest of your birthday. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday! So this next song is the most popular one from my album, Kitten Starlight Power. So here comes the shameless plug. My album, Kitten Starlight Power, is available to listen to on Spotify, or I have physical copies over at my little table today. If you wanted to come and say hello, hello. I like to say hello and hi, but came out hello. You can say hello if you want. I will know what you mean. Want to come and say hi, hello, hi after the show? I would love to see you. All these songs, apart from my new single, are from the album Kitten Starlight Power. Yay! So this next song is one of my most energetic ones. So I hope that you guys can give me lots of energy too. Are we going to give lots of energy together? Yeah! So we had a chance to relax with Forever 19. But this next song is Your Legacy. What is the reason that I exist? Is it okay to go on like this? A kingdom torn apart, a war with no ending will start. A princess cries as she is ripped away. She smiled and said to me, you are the one who holds the key, and somehow will avenge that life someday. That's right, I'm gonna fly. Your legacy's the reason I'm alive. I swear I'll save the stars for you. Just watch me as I try to make it to the sky. These moonbeams are all I need to survive before the world is torn in two. I'll raise my one and fight. Hey, 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 hey. And this time, let's see you. Let's see you this time too. Good job. I found the purpose within her voice. This galaxy will not be destroyed. As long as life flows within my soul, I will not let darkness take control. She showed to me this light. The princess taught me how to fight, to use the power held within the sky. But words I couldn't speak had only left my heart to weep when starlight vanished from behind your eyes. That's right, I'm gonna be the one to carry on your legacy. I will stand up and face my fears. The world can count on me. halfway point now, and I have a question for you. Who here likes video games? Yeah, a lot of people like video games. Well, then I have a part in this next song that I hope you guys can join in with. It goes love, 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 level up. Can you try that with me? Love, 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 level up. Perfect. So are you ready to level up together? This next song is Love, Level Up. I see those hands in the air. I love how you blush all the time, pushing your buttons is so fun, but I wish I knew why. Could it be falling in love? From the way you look at me, I can tell that you're shy. Shall we play this game? Don't you know I feel the same? We don't need a controller. When I've got you as my player too. We've only got one life, so we've got to continue. Love, 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 level up. 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 Good job! Can you feel your heart leveling up already? That's what I like to hear. Well, we've got more levels to go. Let's keep it up. You don't need a secret cheat code, 'cause even being next to you activates my love mode. All you gotta do is press start, and I'll take you by the hand, lead you into my heart. Shall we play this game? Everything will be okay. We don't need a controller. When I've got you as my player too. We've only got one life, so we've got to continue. Love, 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 level up. 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 Amazing! I think we're approaching the final level. Are we gonna give it our all for the final level? Grab your potions. Here we go. All the power-ups throughout the world couldn't compare to you and I feel like I'm invincible by your side. We can beat on the shoulders, 'cause I've got you as my player too. We're on the final stage, so we've got to continue. Love, 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 level up. 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 Amazing! You guys are so good! I think we reached level 100! Good job, everyone! It's been an honor to have you along on this quest. Until next game. Thank you for leveling up with me! You guys are so good! Well, this next song is another super energetic one. So I have two super energetic songs. Your Legacy was one of them. This next one is another super energetic song. Oh, are you making a heart? Yeah! Well, that's good, because this next song, we all get to make hearts together. thumbs up. Yeah, like that, like that. Oh, that's so mean. Heartbreak. How could you? Well, any way you want to make a heart is super okay with me. Who here has ever been to a maid cafe? I know we have some maid cafe maids here with us today. It's lovely to have you here. Hi, my table is right next to the May and Maid Cafe, and that's pretty dangerous for me because they have cake, and I love cake. So, it's very, very tempting. But I can vouch for it. I can say it's very delicious cake. 10 out of 10 do recommend. It has filled me with my magic, and I hope I can now share this magic with you, because this next song is called Akihabara Daydream. Meet me at the corner of the electric town, and you will find a door hidden from the world under a secret cloud of magic. Neon lights will lead you to a land of dreams you've never seen before. Forget your parents' loves in the air, and nothing's what it seems anymore. Emotion magical and sweet, the way it's making your heart beat. Can only mean the spell's about to start. Repeat it after me. On perfect. The mic was getting a little tangled there. Thank you guys so much. Oh, thank you. Are you all having a good time so far? Yay! I'm so glad. We've got a few songs left before we have to wrap up for the day. If anyone has taken any photos or videos here today, and you plan to share it on social media, please do tag me. I'm at Meowgical Rosie on pretty much every social media I'm on. So please tag me. I want to see all our memories that we've made here together today. This next song is one that I wrote the lyrics to over the COVID lockdown, and it's about escapism, which, when you look back, kind of makes sense that I wrote that over lockdown. So this next song is called My Sweet Dream. Even if you think I'm going crazy, I'm happier within my own sweet dream. I want to go to Wonderland, so just take my hand into a world where nothing's what it seems. 1, 2, 3, 4! All I really want is a fairy tale, something romantic I've been waiting for. So let's make a wish, cast a magic spell. I don't need reality anymore. Rescue me from this curse. Let me live in my own world. I want a little magic in my life now. I want a little love inside my heart. We're floating up into the sound and not coming down. Cause even if you think I'm going crazy, I'm happier within my own sweet dream. I want to go to Wonderland, so just take my hand into a world where nothing's what it seems. Always dreaming of something exciting, enticing. 7 colors of starlight shimmers shine down on me. I just wanna sing, I just wanna smile. Under the sunshine, we'll dance in the rain. With you by my side, it will be worthwhile. Sharing our happiness every day. In my sweet dream. I want a little magic in my life now. I want a little love inside my heart. Floating up into the sound and not coming down. We'll jump together into the magic stars. 'Cause even if you think I'm going crazy, I'm happier within my own sweet dream. I want to go to Wonderland, so just take my hand into a world where nothing is what it seems. Thank you guys so much! I'm so happy you liked it! You guys gotta make sure you stay hydrated too, using up all that energy, okay? We got some bubble tea over there, so good. But I'm so sad that when I got there, the Iron Brew sold out. And I'm Scottish, so it's Iron Brew or nothing, baby. I'm kidding. I do like other flavors, but it was just sad, especially because Iron Brew isn't all that common outside of Scotland. Like, you get Iron Brew in McDonald's over there, Iron Brew at Pizza Hut. Yeah, Iron Brew at McDonald's, I know, right? It's amazing. And then you come down to England and no Iron Brew. So sad, it makes my Scottish heart weep. But who here did get a chance to try the Iron Brew bubble tea? Did anyone have the Iron Brew bubble tea? No! Well, who here has tried Iron Brew? Yeah, it's good, right? It's good. If you don't think it's good, hands up if you don't think Iron Brew is good. The door is that way. I'm kidding, you can stay. I forgive you. This next song is one that I would like all of you to join in with. And the chorus might be a little complicated, but I think after the energy I've seen here today, I think you can all do it. So let me see if I can remember how it goes. La la la. La 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 la. Do you guys think you can do that? Now I know it's a little complicated, but I believe in you guys. Can you do it? That's not what I want to hear. Can you do it? That's right, you gotta believe in yourself. This next song is called Once More. And it's another one where you're gonna sway. That's it, nice and slow, gentle swaying. La 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 la. Every time I let the song repeat, all the notes and all the words so sweet, my mind at ease. One more time, please. This echo sets me free. Every time I let the music out, listening to all of our favorite sounds, it's all the same, and that's okay. So let the rhythm play. When you join the chorus with me, it becomes our own melody. So let's say la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Let me hear it once more. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Let me hear it once more. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Let me hear it once more. Every time I let the song repeat, all the notes and all the words so sweet, my mind at ease. One more time, please. This echo sets me free. Every time I let the music out, listening to all of the favorite sounds, it's all the same, and that's okay. So let the rhythm play. And I think by now you all know how this happy melody goes. So let's say la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Let me hear it once more. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Let me hear it once more. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Let me hear it once more. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Thank you so much. Do you ever just get a song stuck in your head? That's what I wrote that song about. Well, I actually wrote it more about hyperfixating on a song because, in case I didn't make it obvious, tism. Got the tism. So I have a tendency to hyperfixate on songs like that. So that's what that's about. Hyperfixation, yay! So you guys have all done amazing, and that was super energetic, and I've had so much fun singing and dancing and swaying with you guys and chanting. But for this last song, I was wondering if you guys might want to come up and dance with me. Yeah, if you want to come up and dance with me, just come up to the stage right now. And no pressure at all. If you don't want to, that is totally fine. But if you want to come and show off your cute little kitten dance moves, then please do come to the stage. Go for it. Okay. So this last song is called Kitten. So let's see all your guys' kitten dance moves. Can you all do kitten dance? Perfect. We're all going to do little kitten dance moves together. So let's go. This last song is called Kitten. Nobody die, please. I'm trying to preach. Ready? Let's see those kitty cat moves. Just another sunny day. Nothing special came my way until I saw your gorgeous face. As mischievous as can be, like that I felt you can. sway